Welcome to Level Up Your Security Game. In our increasingly digital world, protecting your online presence is crucial. Today, we're going to share 10 straightforward cybersecurity tips that anyone can implement. Let's enhance your digital defense. Strong passwords are your first line of defense. They should be complex, including a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for at least 12 characters. Avoid common phrases and patterns. Using unique passwords for each account is vital. It prevents a single breach from compromising all your accounts. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra security layer. With 2FA, accessing an account requires not just a password but also a second factor, like a code sent to your phone. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, even if someone discovers your password. Enable 2FA on your email, social media, and banking sites. Scammers constantly devise new tactics. Stay informed about the latest scams by following cybersecurity blogs and news. Be especially wary of phishing attempts, where scammers impersonate trusted entities to steal information. Educating yourself helps you spot and avoid these threats. Regular updates are crucial for your devices and software. Developers release patches to fix security vulnerabilities. Delaying updates leaves you exposed to cyber attacks. Set your devices to update automatically to ensure you're always protected. Your home network is a gateway for cyber threats. Change default passwords on your router to something unique and strong. Use the latest encryption protocols like WPA3 for your Wi-Fi. A robust firewall can prevent unauthorized access. Regularly update your router's firmware to patch any security loopholes. Public Wi-Fi networks are convenient but risky. They're often unsecured, leaving your data vulnerable. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts on public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN to encrypt your internet connection on these networks, safeguarding your data from prying eyes. Data loss can be devastating. Regular backups protect you from this risk. Backup your data to external drives or cloud services. This ensures that even if your device fails or falls victim to a cyber attack, your important files remain safe. Antivirus software is essential in defending against malware. Choose a reputable antivirus program and keep it updated. Schedule regular scans to detect and remove any malicious software that might have infiltrated your system. The internet remembers everything you share. Be cautious with the personal information you post on social media or fill out in online forms. Adjust privacy settings on your social platforms to control who sees your information. Remember, implementing these cybersecurity tips will help you level up your security game and protect your online presence. Stay safe out there!